Hello. Whoa. Hello and welcome to another episode of Moose's Gear Goo Review. I'm using the GoPro today, and usually when I use the GoPro, that means mail call unboxing. And today we have this. Another package. I believe it's from the Blade HQ source. And today we'll be using the Kershaw diode. Honestly, this is a handy little knife. I dig it. I think in some video I mentioned that Kershaw really knocks it out of the park with these flathead tips or pry bar tips on their knives. I believe this might be, yeah, just a nice little knife. I'll leave a link in the description or in the upper right hand corner to my review of the diode. Really cool little budget knife. Good penny pocket knife or coin pocket knife. Let's cut open and see what's inside. Oh yeah. So this is it. I wasn't quite sure what it was, but I saw a photo on Everyday City Carry's Instagram. I'll leave a link in the description below. Check him out if you're not familiar with him. But he was showing one of these off earlier, and Civivi, one of those brands, got a couple of their knives. Probably the most popular one. Not the biggest fan, but definitely looking forward to this. So yeah, Kershaw diode, check it out. Close it up, or actually open it, because it looks like we have a seal. It says warning, blah, blah, blah. Instagram, and right there, it says it right there, Odium. So this is the Civivi Odium. Super excited about this. Once I saw it, I was like, okay, I gotta get that. And just like all the other Civivis, it comes in a very nice case. This is probably the most impressive thing to me personally, is just the presentation. Polishing cloth, really cool stickers, nice fake sheep's fur lining, and oh, here it is, the Odium. Oh yeah. Oh, that got a little oil and grease. Let's wipe that off. Take a quick gander. Yes, that looks slick, so slick. Oh, okay, winner chicken dinner. First impressions, go buy this knife, straight up. Seriously, are you kidding me? This, yes, so good. So now the Odium is a Farium Forge based design. If you can see right up there, they got the Farium Forge logo, made by Civivi, which I believe is actually made by WE Knives. And fit and finish on Civivi knives are just excellent. This design is heavily based off the Farium Forge, Mini Archbishop. Really similar. There's some subtlety differences in the handle and the contoured G10, but man, that G10 feels good. So yeah, different pocket clips, but I got the blacked out version. They're coming in a couple different colors: blue, gray, possibly orange, I believe, and then a satin blade. And this is kind of a, I thought it was going to be more of a stonewash, like a black wash, but it seems like some sort of a coating. But either way, all blacked out, looks super sick, and the feel in hand is just marvelous. So there you have it, guys. This is the Civivi Odium. Like I said, it's a winner. Don't rest on this one. Go pick one up like right away. Yeah, seriously. D2 steel. Oh, the action, so good. See if we can flick it. Not. Oh, there we go. Well, there we go. Just gotta work on it a little. Okay, there we go. Winner. You can spider flick it if you're clearly more talented than I am. So, yeah. Oh, super excited. Can't wait to carry this. Can't wait to do a full review and comparison with the Odium and the Mini Archbishop. But Odium for the win. Well done, Civivi. You have impressed me once again. All right, so there you have it, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, check out the diode. Be sure to share this. Let people know about this awesome knife. And thank you, guys. Peace, and I'll see you outside. Bye.